Guys, I wanted to talk for a minute about the new Begode suspension. It's actually pretty cool. I like it quite a bit, especially because of this big nut right here. And you have a bar that really helps you adjust your suspension while it's way deep in your wheel. And there's this, I think this is what they call the S linkage, because it goes like S. There's a little S bend in it, and it bends around the larger diameter coil springs. We have the, what is it, a 900-pound spring inside of our T4. We could probably, I don't know, go with a 750. I'm not sure, but the spring is a little stiff, and the 1,300-pound spring that it came with is also pretty stiff, but we don't do massive jumps on our T4. It's for my wife, so she doesn't do big, crazy jumps on it. So I put the softer spring on it from the 1,300 down to the 950, I think, or the 900. I think this is from the Extreme or something like that, but it came with our T4. But I actually like Linkage. It works pretty good, and the shock seems to work pretty good, especially with this little adjuster nut here. You can easily adjust your compression. The only things that I don't like about it is that every time you want to work on the wheel, you have to back your compression all the way off before you can take your wheel apart. You can't just let the air out and then easily work on your wheel really quick. You have to back the nut off every single time if you want to untension your suspension. But other than that, this works pretty cool. It's very smooth, works very solid. That big nut is good. The little lever to adjust it is all good. I haven't had any problems with it so far. Yeah, we like it so far. This seems like a pretty good upgrade if you're not doing the scissor suspension or whatever else is out there. So if you do give this a shot, I think you'll like it. Have a good one, guys. Peace.